everyone, I just added 32 new products to SewYours.com and I wanted to give a quick walkthrough of everything since this is a big product drop. I am trying to keep up with all of the new releases. We have the second half of our massive shipment arriving on Tuesday, which consists of our exclusive printed vinyls, liner text, and waterproof canvases. So in today's video, we are going to cover all of the faux leathers that just hit our website in our solid colors, and we got a couple of new prints for you as well. First up, we have our Saddle Soft faux leather. This is a brand new line that we've added to our site, which includes colors like camel, magenta, purple, taupe, and black. This line is soft and flexible and perfect for domestic sewing machines. It has a signature swirl texture, and we do recommend using a woven interfacing on the wrong side of this particular line because it does have a subtle one-way stretch. Next up, we've added 3 new colors to our distressed grain faux leather line, which includes Merlot, metallic dark copper, and powder blue. Please note that terracotta is currently out of stock, but we will be restocking that on a future reorder. And we do have a little bit of rosewood mauve left. Next up, we have our cross grain vinyl. This is a brand new line to our website as well, and we've brought in 5 colors. The first 4 colors have a metallic finish to it, which include oyster, icy lilac, gold, and saddle. And we have squirrel in a matte finish. We've also added 7 new colors to our milled grain faux leather line, which we've had for a couple of years now. We are excited to welcome colors like jam, teal, mustard, Air Force blue, thistle, olive, and moss to the collection. Next up is our brindle cow coated canvas. On the back is a natural canvas, and on the front is a coating that resembles a vinyl fabric. It has great texture to it, has a little bit of a gloss. It almost gives it like a glittery look to it, but there is no glitter in this. This is going to be great for domestic sewing machines as it's lightweight. I would line this with 1 to 2 layers of woven interfacing just to give it a little bit more substance, but there is no stretch to it, so that's completely optional. Domestic machine friendly, and I think you're really going to enjoy working with our brindle cow. There is another domestic machine vinyl. This is a lightweight vinyl we are calling Ice Shard in the color Black Ice. Very dimensional. As I move this fabric right here, you'll see how the light catches it and kind of gives it a holographic look. And lastly, we've added 2 new liner text collections. We have our grid collection, which is available in sapphire, carrot, forest green, eucalyptus, and sage. And we have our pinstripe collection available in eggplant, red, pale pistachio, powder blue, and warm taupe. That's everything that just went live. We'll have a huge new release in a couple of more weeks with our exclusive printed vinyls, liner text, and waterproof canvas. Start shopping today at SewYours.com.